Hello. Good morning. Well, it's actually not good morning. So it's my work day. This week I have a very unusual shift. So I usually work 8 days fortnight in my primary job, but then I also do, as you all know, that I work as an interpreter and then also MD. But MD I don't work that much. So basically, I have only 3 days this shift. I mean, this week I only have 3 days. So today is my second day and I've got another one to go on Sunday. Yeah, so I was thinking to show you around. Well, basically we can't show what's happening at work. We can't really film at work, but I just want to take you with me today. And this is my new uniform, if you have not noticed. The reason that I'm covering this one is because I have the logo, work logo here, which we are not allowed to put on social media. So yeah, I will take you around with me, and I'm about to go out, catch a bus. It's been a sunny day today, but yes, sunny and then a bit hot, but it's a beautiful day. All right guys, I'll take you around. Let's somewhere prepare myself. I don't think there are many people who does like this, because I literally have to mentally have to prepare myself to start their work. So that's me. So I almost forgot to leave the key for Jigdo. Goodness, I did that one time and then he had to wait in the car until my parents come home. So I'm heading to the bus stop. Do you guys see this house? I think it's an antique house there. Someone bought it and then sold it, and then someone else bought it, but nobody's touching or nobody's living in this house. So usually in Queensland you can't really touch the antique, like the historical houses. So maybe that's one of it. Alright, I'm here at the bus stop. My best friend to my right and my driver. So let's explore the day. Waiting for the bus right here, just staring right at there, and then I can see a bus coming. So it's a bit early now, but I always like to leave early and then... Alright, thank you. Bus now, on the bus. See, I am wearing my hat just to avoid the UV rays straight on my face. I have my sunscreen on, but Australia's sun, we can't trust the sun because the UV ray is super high, and all you need is a sunscreen all the time. And I can also, I usually use the umbrella, but I think with the cameras on and it's a bit hard for me, but yes, I always use the umbrella and the hat. This is from my best friend Jenny. So both of us, we have like same hat. Actually, Jigdal and I, we have been going through something at this point. Nothing bad or negative. It's just that we are starting something. So it is taking a lot of time. It is taking a lot of energy where we are unable to catch up with our friends, and it's just like a lot of time consuming, energy consuming. So hopefully everything goes well. If everything goes well, I'm sure you guys will know sooner or later. I'm using umbrella because my hands were almost burning with the heat. It's so hot. And the wind is a little bit making it better, but it's very hot. Goodness, oh, look at me. And this umbrella is also a gift from my best friend. She's from Korea, so she bought the same color hat and the umbrella together. Oh my god, it's literally dragging me. Woo, this is me struggling to walk. So I have to walk for like 20 minutes to my work, and I know I would be there early, but still I'll have some time to chill out. See you there. All the way to work. It's the main road, so quite busy at the main road, and then I always walk this side. Especially at nighttime, it's not really safe. So I used to walk back home with my best friend because we do afternoon shift most of the time. We both changed our workplace. She moved to, well, she still lives at Wollongabba, but her workplace is the opposite side of us. So my workplace is pretty same, but it's a different employer and different building. So this is like usual walk for me. As I said earlier, I came early. I have like half an hour to go, and Jigdul, he just rang me, and then he said he finished his work, and he just crosses my workplace after his work, so he said he'll just stop by and say hi to me because we won't be seeing each other for like 9 hours, and by the time I reach home we would be sleeping, and then tomorrow early in the morning he would be going to work, and I would be starting my work at 7:30 tomorrow. So it's really hard to meet each other, so we're trying to make the most out of it. I can see him. There he is. He's just looking for me. He's trying to hide behind that. See? Tons. 가자 Ali. Nice view, a nice place to rest. Okay, cafe ya, cafe wani maadesh. Kenzaring wusha, long walk this. Here we are. 가자 Ali de. Kiếm xe ra chị tuổi. Don't let what take it. Nang vui tao ta. And they don't really like. I have half an hour to go, so it's just here to say hi. Hello, now go home.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he finished his work, and I am studying. So this is how we are living our life.
I won't see you until 11.
I know. And then tomorrow early morning he would be leaving, and I'll be going to work for training until 12. And then I'll see you after work. Okay. Have a good time. See you at home. See you at home. See you at home.
See ya.
No, it's another day. Yesterday I couldn't finish videoing. There's the work, and then on break in the staff room there were lots of stuff, so it was not really comfortable. So here I am again. I have the education training today for like 3.5 hours. So I finished my shift very late yesterday around 11, and then got home around 12. So slept and woke up and back to work. Alright guys, I'm not sure if it's I know it's not really interesting video, but I just try to fill some time, and that's it. See you in the next video. Have a good day.